हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम करेंगे क्लास 8th की जो आपकी इंग्लिश की बुक है उसका चैप्टर नंबर 1, द विट डेट वोन हार्ट्स। सो ये हम करने वाले हैं। ऑलरेडी हमने पूरा चैप्टर कर लिया, तो आज इसके कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन जो बन सकते हैं वो करेंगे, देन इसके बाद में वर्कशीट। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं। वट मेड द विजयनगर एम्पायर फेमस ड्यूरिंग कृष्णदेव रायज रेन उसके टाइम पे। सो द विजयनगर एम्पायर वॉज फेमस फॉर इट्स इमेंस वेल्थ, स्प्लेंडर एंड कल्चरल अचीवमेंट्स अंडर कृष्णदेवराय. His reign, known as the Golden Era, saw remarkable progress in art, literature, and architecture. The empire became a hub for creativity, attracting scholars, poets, and artists. This period marked a peak in the empire prosperity and cultural brilliance. वट काइंड ऑफ वॉरियर वॉज कृष्णदेव राय नोन टू बी? तो किस तरह के वॉरियर थे? कृष्णदेव राय वॉज रिओन्ड एज अ फॉर्मिडेबल एंड स्किल्ड वॉरियर, यानी कि बहुत स्किल थे, बहुत अच्छे थे, हु लेड हिज आर्मी विद ग्रेट करेज. हिज स्ट्रेटेजिक एबिलिटीज इन द बैटल स्ट्रेंथन द विजयनगर एम्पायर. तो उनकी जो एबिलिटीज़ थी स्ट्रेटेजी करनी, किस तरह से चीज़ें करनी है, उनकी वजह से विजयनगर एम्पायर और भी ज़्यादा स्ट्रेंथन हो गया था. He was respected for his bravery and leadership on the battlefield. His military success helped protect and expand the empire's territories. Beside being a king, what other talents did Krishnadev Rai have? तो और क्या क्या टैलेंट थे उनके? So Krishnadev Rai was not only a ruler but also a highly talented poet and scholar. He wrote significant work like the epic Amyutya Malyada and the Sanskrit play Jamvati Pranayam. As a pattern of learning, he supported scholars and artists in his court. तो उन्होंने उनको सपोर्ट भी करते थे. His contribution enriched the cultural landscape of his empire. Now, who were the Ashtadiggaj in Krishnadeva Rai's court? तो कौन थे वो? The Ashtadiggaj were a group of 8 distinguished poets in Krishnadeva Rai's royal court. They included renowned figures like Alashani पैदन्ना एंड तेनाली रामाकृष्णा. तो इस तरह के मतलब 8 जो आप बोल सकते हैं, जो लोग 8 ऐसे लोग थे जो हर चीज़ में या मतलब अपनी अपनी फील्ड में बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे थे, जिसमें से 2 ये भी थे. दे आर नोन फॉर देयर लिटरेरी ब्रिलियंस. दीज पोएट्स कंट्रीब्यूट सिग्निफिकेंटली टू द एम्पायर्स रिच लिटरेरी ट्रेडिशन. देयर वर्क एडेड टू द कल्चरल प्रेस्टीज ऑफ द विजयनगर एम्पायर. तो इनकी जो मतलब पोएट थे ये दोनों ही, और जो इनका मतलब काम था उसकी वजह से इनका जो मतलब विजयनगर एम्पायर का जो लिटरेरी चीज़ें थी वो बहुत ज़्यादा एनरिच हुई थी, बहुत अच्छी हुई थी. वाई डिड तिरुमल्लम बल फील हार्ट ब्रोकन आफ्टर द क्वेरल? सो तिरुमल्लम बल felt heartbroken because Krishnadev Rai stopped speaking to her after their disagreement. The king's refusal to communicate left her deeply saddened and isolated. Her repeated attempts to mend their relationship were unsuccessful, increasing her distress. The once lively palace became quiet, reflecting her emotional turmoil. तो मतलब एक तरह से जब राजा ने उनसे बातें करना बंद कर दिया तो वो बिल्कुल जो है शांत हो गई, सारी चीज़ें एकदम से ख़त्म हो गई थी, कोई बात नहीं हो रही थी. वो पैलेस भी बिल्कुल ऐसे हो गया था कि बिल्कुल शांत, जैसे उनके अंदर के इमोशन थे उसी तरह से उन्हें वो पैलेस भी दिखाई दे रहा था. नाउ व्हाट डिड तिरुमल्ला भल टेल तेनाली अबाउट द किंग्स पोएम? सो तिरुमला बल told Tenali that the king's poem was about the sun, moon and stars. इसके बारे में थी, but was too difficult to understand. She mentioned that the minister avoided giving honest feedback, which frustrated the king. And when she yawned during his recitation, he felt disrespected and left angrily. This misunderstanding led to their prolonged quarrel. और इसी की वजह से उनकी लड़ाई हुई. Now, how was the royal court described when Tenali presented his plan? तो किस तरह से royal court ने describe किया? So the royal court was described as a grand hall. मतलब किस तरह का hall था जहाँ पर तेनाली जो है अपना plan बता रहे थे. Grand hall adorned with intricately carved pillars and illuminated by sunlight streaming through large windows. It was bustling with ministers and scholars engaged in lively discussions. The atmosphere जो है vibrant था despite the underlying tension from the king's quarrel. The court's magnificence reflected the empire's wealth and गार्डनर। तो मतलब कि वहाँ पर जो है कितना उनका इमेंस था, वेल्थ कितनी थी, कितनी मतलब एक तरह से ये बता रहा कि विजयनगर एम्पायर उस टाइम पे कितना ज़्यादा जो है प्रोस्पेरस था। नाउ वट वर द मिनिस्टर्स डिस्कसिंग इन द कोर्ट बिफोर तेनाली स्पोक। तो क्या डिस्कस कर रहे थे? सो द मिनिस्टर वर डिस्कसिंग प्रैक्टिकल वेज टू इम्प्रूव पैडी कल्टिवेशन इन द एम्पायर. They proposed solution like expanding irrigation system to ensure better water supply. They also suggested using improved manure to enhance crop yields. These discussions aimed to boost agriculture productivity for the empire's benefit. Now, how did the king initially react to Tenali's claim about the paddy seeds? तो पहले कैसे king ने जो है react किया? Krishnadev Rai was highly skeptical when Tenali claimed that paddy seeds could triple the harvest. He dismissed the idea as absurd कि तो ऐसे ही कोई भी कुछ भी बोले जा रहे हो, इस तरह से उन्होंने उस आइडिया को एक तरह से डिसमिस कर दिया, believing it was unrealistic. The king argued, उन्होंने आर्ग्यू किया that such a yield would require specialized soil and advanced pest control. His reaction showed, अब इनके रिएक्शन से पता चलता है कि वो कितने प्रैक्टिकल अप्रोच वाले थे एग्रीकल्चर चैलेंजेस को लेकर. वट हैपन्ड इन द कोर्ट व्हेन तेनाली मैंशनड योनिंग. तो जब उन्होंने योनिंग को मैंश किया कि आपको उबासी आ रही है, जवाई आ रही है, जब भी आप बात कर रहे हैं या कोई आपकी बात सुन रहा है, सामने वाले को आ गया, जैसे कि किंग के साथ हुआ था, किंग एंड क्वीन की लड़ाई इसी चीज़ पर थी. तो क्या हुआ? सो व्हेन तेनाली मैंशनड योनिंग द कोर्ट ब्रस्ट इनटू लाफ्टर ईजिंग द अर्लियर टेंशन. द किंग कोट ऑफ गार्ड. अब किंग को तो मतलब एक तरह से हो गया कि जैसे वो मेरी ही गलती बता रहा है. Yawned intensively, which surprised everyone present. This movement promoted him to reflect on his misunderstanding with Tirumala Balam. तो इसकी वजह से उन्हें अपनी मतलब जो रानी के साथ उनकी लड़ाई हुई थी उसके बीच की जो मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग थी वो खुद ही उनके दिमाग में आ गई राजा को, तो किसी को बताना भी नहीं पड़ा. द लाफ्टर क्रिएटेड अ लाइटर मूड, हेल्पिंग टू शिफ्ट द किंग्स पर्सपेक्टिव. Now what did Krishnadev Rai say to Tirumallam Bal to resolve their quarrel? तो क्या बोला? Krishnadev Rai approached Tirumallam Bal with a sincere apology, admitting he had been foolish. He acknowledged that his pride had blinded him, causing him to misjudge her yearning. He expressed deep regret for his actions and the pain he caused. His heartfelt word helped mend their relationship. How did the royal couple show their gratitude to the Tenali Rama? The royal couple showed their gratitude by showering Tenali Rama with valuable gifts for his cleverness. Their appreciation restored joy and laughter to the palace, making it vibrant again. Tenali's witty tactic not only resolved only their quarrel but also strengthened their trust in him. The palace returned to its lively and harmonious state. Now long answer questions hai. How did Tenali Ramakrishna's role as an advisor influence the Vijayanagar Empire courts? So Tenali Ramakrishna played a crucial role in the Vijayanagar Empire's court as both a poet and a clever advisor. His sharp wit and a problem-solving ability made him trusted, confidant to King Krishnadev Rai. For instance, he successfully resolved a quarrel between the royal couple using a thoughtful strategies, demonstrating his skill in managing delicate situations. His presence brought both humor and wisdom to the court, helping to lighten the atmosphere during tense moments. Tenali's clever intervention often transformed serious discussion into opportunity for reflection and unity. By addressing issues like the king's misunderstanding with the queen, he played a significant role in strengthening the court's harmony. Beyond his poetic contribution, Tenali helped maintain a positive atmosphere in the palace. His unique ability to blend intelligence with diplomacy made him an indispensable figure in the empire, showcasing how a wise advisor can influence the dynamic of a royal court. Now, what does the story reveal about the importance of communication in resolving conflict? तो क्या जो है ये स्टोरी बताती है कि कॉन्फ्लिक्ट को रिजोल्व किस तरह से करना और इम्पोर्टेंस कम्युनिकेशन क्यों उसमें इम्पोर्टेंट है. So the story highlights that clear communication is vital for resolving conflicts, as illustrated by the quarrel between Krishnadev Rai and Tirumallam Bal. The king's silence stemming from a misinterpretation, क्योंकि उन्होंने misinterpret किया था, okay, of the queen's yearning, led to the prolonged rift that created tension in the palace. तिरुमलम्बल's attempts to explain her actions were unsuccessful. तो वो एक्सप्लेन करना चाहती थी लेकिन सारे अनसक्सेसफुल थे क्योंकि राजा बात ही नहीं करना चाहते थे. Because the king was initially unwilling to engage in dialogues. It was Tenali's Ramakrishna's clever tactic in the court that permitted the kings to reflect on his mistake, paving the way for communication. When Krishnadev Rai finally apologized and spoken to the queen, their relationship was restored. This story illustrates that misunderstanding can escalate without communication, but honest conversation can mend relationships. Tenali's strategies encouraged the king to express regret, proving that communication is essential for resolving disputes. This lesson emphasizes the importance of listening and speaking openly to maintain harmony. Now, how did the court's atmosphere reflect the challenges faced by Krishnadev Rai? So, the atmosphere of the royal court reflected the challenges faced by Krishnadev Rai, particularly his personal conflict with Tirumalambal. Although discussion on agriculture improvement were lively, a sense of tension lingered due to the king's troubled mood. His stern expression while seated on the throne demonstrate how his personal issues impacted his leadership. सो मतलब पर्सनल इश्यूज़ भी जो होते हैं वो चीज़ों को आपकी जो प्रोफेशनल चीज़ें हैं उसको किसी ना किसी तरह से इम्पैक्ट करते हैं. द कोर्ट टिपिकली अ वाइब्रेंट स्पेस फॉर डिबेट felt strained, mirroring the emotional burden of the royal quarrel. Tenali Ramakrishnan provided a humorous distraction with his pedicades, which lightened the atmosphere but also underscored the king's distraction. This situation illustrates that a ruler's personal challenges can significantly affect the dynamic of the court and influence decision making. Once the quarrel was resolved, the court regained its joyful energy, highlighting the connection. अब इससे क्या हुआ? Highlight हुआ connection between the king's state of mind and the court atmosphere. This scenario exemplify how a leader personal and professional responsibilities are intertwined. Now, why was Tenali Ramakrishna's approach to solve the royal quarrel considered clever? तो इसे clever क्यों बोला गया जिस तरह से उन्होंने इस चीज़ को अप्रोच किया या इस क्वेरल को सोल्व किया? So Tenali Ramakrishna's approach was clever because he employed a subtle and humorous strategies to address the king's misunderstanding without direct confrontation. मतलब direct उनको confront नहीं किया उन्होंने. Rather than openly discuss किया the quarrel, he represented a plate of paddy seeds, claiming they could triple the harvest, which captured the court attention. तो सबकी attention उधर आ गई. By linking careless sowing to yawning, ही इनडायरेक्टली उन्होंने रेफरेंस दिया क्वीन के एक्शन का इनडायरेक्टली, जिसकी वजह से जो राजा हैं उन्होंने अपने बिहेवियर पे रिफ्लेक्ट कर पाए. उनको गलती नहीं बताएगी, उन्हें खुद ही लगा. दिस मेथड अवॉइड एम्बेरेसिंग द किंग वाइल एनकरेजिंग सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन. Tenali's tactic was effective because it used humors to diffuse tension and foster introspection. His indirect approach ensured the king understood his mistake without feeling criticized. The cleverness of his strategies lay in blending wit with wisdom, ultimately resolving the conflict peacefully. As a result, harmony was restored, earning him the gratitude of the royal couple. Now, how did the king's pride contribute to the conflict with Tirumalambal? सो कृष्णदेव राय's प्राइड सिग्निफिकेंटली एस्केलेट द कॉन्फ्लिक्ट. उस मतलब इनका जो प्राइड था, घमंड आप बोल सकते हैं, उसकी वजह से जो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट था वो बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गया था तिरुमलम्बल के साथ. When the queen yawned during his poem recitation, he took it as a sign of disrespect, allowing his pride to cloud his judgment. Rather than addressing his feeling, he chose to ignore her, which prolonged their quarrel. His pride was rooted in his identity as both a poet and a ruler, making him sensitive to any perceived slights. This led to weeks of silence, creation, and a tense atmosphere in the palace. Fortunately, Tenali's intervention helped the kings realize that his pride has blinded him to the queen exhaustion. By acknowledging his mistake, the king was able to overcome his pride and restore their relationship. This story illustrates how pride can lead to unnecessary conflict, while humility can pave the way for resolution. Now, what role did humor play in Tenali Ramakrishna's strategies to resolve the conflict? So, humor played a crucial role in Tenali Ramakrishna's strategies to resolve the conflict between the king and the queen by introducing the concept of paddy seeds and connecting yawning to careless showing. He created a humorous situation that made the court laugh. This laughter change helped to ease the tension, allowing the king to yawn intensively and reconsider his earlier misunderstanding. Tenali's clever use of humor turned a serious issue into a chance for healing and reconciliations. His approach illustrated how lightheartedness can effectively address misunderstandings and restore harmony. How did the resolution of the royals' couple quarrel impact the Vijayanagar Empire's palace? So, the resolution of the quarrel between Krishnadev Rai and Tirumalambal significantly transformed the atmosphere of the Vijayanagar Empire palace. Previously, the palace was quiet and gloomy due to their conflict. But with the king's heartfelt apology, the queen's readiness, क्योंकि क्वीन मतलब राजा ने जो है माफ़ी मांगी, लेकिन क्वीन भी रेडी थी रिकॉन्साइल के लिए, यानी कि बात करने के लिए, क्योंकि वो अपनी बात बताना चाहती थी. हारमनी वॉज रिस्टोर्ड. Their positive shift not only strengthened their relationship but also uplifted the mood of the court. The return of laughter and unity revitalized the palace, creating a more productive environment. Tenali's clever intervention in resolving the dispute earned him valuable gifts, which further enhanced the morale of the court. This incident underscored the crucial role of a peaceful royal household in maintaining the stability of the empire. It illustrated how personal reconciliations can positively influence the overall dynamic within the palace. What lesson can be learned from Tenali Ramakrishna's ability to observe and strategize? So, Tenali Ramakrishna's ability to observe and strategize highlights the significance of patience and careful planning in problem solving. In the story, the attentively listened to Thirumallambal's concern and requested time to formulate a plan. His quiet observation in the court enabled him to access the king's mood and the dynamic among the courtiers. By crafting a strategies that incorporate humor and an agricultural metaphor, he effectively subtle addressed the issues. This demonstrates that careful observation is crucial for understanding the root of a problem, while strategic thinking leads to the solution that consider the all feeling of all parties involved. Tenali's success underscored the value of thinking before acting, particularly in sensitive situations. His approach ensured that the king's pride was preserved, resulting in a peaceful resolution. This lesson encouraged thoughtful problem solving in challenging scenario. यानी कि हमेशा जो है पहले सोचना है कुछ भी बोलने से पहले, खासकर अगर सेंसिटिव सिचुएशंस हैं तो. अब हम इसकी वर्कशीट देख लेते हैं. वर्कशीट देख लेते हैं. सबसे पहले आते हैं आपके MCQs. What was the Vijayanagar Empire known for during Krishnadev Rai? So, wealth, splendor, and the cultural brilliance. The Vijayanagar Empire flourished in wealth, splendor, and cultural achievements, including notable development in art and literature during Krishnadev Rai rule. So, answer kya hai? C. Now, the next question. What role did Tenali Ramakrishna primarily play in the king's court? तो क्या थे? Poet or clever advisor. So, Tenali Ramakrishna was one of the Ashtadiggaj and served as a poet who used his wit and cleverness to advise the king. His action resolving the royals' couple quarrel show his role as a witty advisor as well as a poet. Now, why did Krishnadev Rai stop speaking to Tirumalambal? तो क्यों? क्योंकि वो उन्होंने यौन कर रहे थे जब वो अपनी कविता सुना रहे थे. तो Krishnadev Rai felt insulted when Tirumalambal yawned while he was reciting his poem. He took the yawn as a sign of disrespect and stopped speaking to her. What did Tenali Ramakrishna bring to the court? Present his idea. तो क्या लाए थे? एक प्लेट लाए थे पैडी सीड्स की. Tenali brought a plate of paddy seeds to the court and used it as a clever probe to compare sowing and yawning. His practical demonstration helped the king to see the mistake in his judgment. How did the court react when Tenali mentioned yawning? तो क्या हो गए, वो एकदम से हंसने लगे थे. They burst into laughter. So the courtier laughed when Tenali linked yawning to careless sowing in a humorous way. His wit lightened the mood in the whole. इसलिए इसका आंसर क्या है, बी. Now what did कृष्णदेव राय realize after तेनाली's intervention? तो क्या उन्होंने देखा कि उन्होंने जो है तिरुमल्लम्बल को मिसजज किया है. Tenali's word make the king understand that he had mistaken Tirumallambal's yawn for disrespect. Realizing his misjudgment, तो कृष्णदेव राय ने क्या किया, अपोलोजाइज किया. Now fill in the blanks. Tenali Ramakrishna claimed his seed would produce a harvest 3 times greater. Tenali stated that the paddy seeds could yield 3 times more than the current harvest to support his argument about farming and careful sowing. The king sat on ornate throne during court discussion. So Krishnadeva Rai sat on the ornate throne, emphasizing the guardian of the royal court. The queen's name was Tirumalambal. तो क्वीन थी जिनके राजा के साथ जो लड़ाई तो नहीं हुई थी, मतलब वो अपनी कविता रानी को सुना रहे थे और उनका क्या हो गया था, उन्हें मतलब जब आई आ गई थी, उबासी आई थी, तो राजा को लगा कि वो उनकी डिसरिस्पेक्ट कर रहे हैं. द कोर्टियर मेड sarcastic remark about Tenali's seed claim. So whispered sarcastic comments such as called the seed magic seed to mock Tenali's bold claim. Krishnadev Rai's poem including reference to the sun, moon and star. तो उनकी पोएम में ये सारी चीज़ें थी. The place regained its joy after the royal couple reclined. So after the quarrel ended, then the couple reconciled, joy returned to the palace and daily life resumed cheerfully. Now very short answer type question. What was the name of Krishnadev Rai's Sanskrit play? So Jamvati Priyanyam was his Sanskrit play. Who was one of the poet in Ashtadiggaj beside Tenali Raman? So Alsani Pedanna was another poet among the Ashtadiggaj. What natural action did Tenali compare yawning to? Tenali compared yawning to breathing. What did the royal couple give Tenalis after resolving their quarrel? तो क्या दिए, उनको गिफ्ट दिए थे. How long did the king avoid speaking to Tirumallam after their quarrel? So कुछ हफ्तों तक उन्होंने बात नहीं की थी. Now short answer type question. What was the golden era of Vijayanagar Empire? So the golden era refers to the Krishnadev Rai reign. This period saw important advances in art, literature and architecture, making the empire culturally vibrant. Why did the minister avoid giving feedback to the king's poem? So the minister found the king's poem unclear and avoided giving direct feedback. They likely feared disappointing him because he took pride in his poetry. तो उन्हें डर था कि कहीं वो उनको नाराज ना कर दे. How did Tenali Ramakrishna respond when Tirumalambal asked for help? So Tenali listened carefully and asked for time to prepare a plan. He then devised a clever demonstration to make the king see his error and restore harmony. What practical solution did the minister propose for better crop yields? So the minister recommended expanding irrigation and using better manure to improve paddy cultivation and increase yields. How did Tirumalambal react to the king's apology? So Tirumalambal smiled and asked him to recite the poem again, showing that she was ready to forgive and restore their relationship. Now match the following. 2 कॉलम दिए हैं and we have 2 matches. तो फर्स्ट बी के साथ कृष्णदेव राय, फर्स्ट बी गोल्डन एरा, उसके बाद तेनाली रामा रिजोल्व रॉयल क्वारल, तिरुमल्लम्पल क्या हुआ था, यौन किया था ड्यूरिंग पोएम रिसाइटेशन, अष्टदिग्गज पोएट ग्रुप था कोर्ट में, पेडिसिड्स यूज्ड इन तेनालीज कोर्ट स्ट्रेटजीज. कृष्णदेव राय वॉज द रूलर ड्यूरिंग द विजयनगर एम्पायर गोल्डन एरा, नोन फॉर कल्चरल एंड literary achievements. Tenali Ramakrishna used his wit to resolve the royal couple quarrel, restoring harmony. Tirumalambal yawned during the king's poem, which he mistook as a disrespect and which caused their quarrel. The Ashtadiggaj were the 8 esteemed poets in Krishnadev Rai court, including Tenali and Alsani Pedanna. Tenali used a plate of paddy seeds as a part of his court demonstration to draw an analogy between sowing and yawning, प्रमोटिंग द किंग्स टू रिफ्लेक्ट एन अपोलॉजी। सो इसके साथ ही आपकी ये वर्कशीट भी कंप्लीट हो जाती है। एन इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन भी, कोई भी डाउट है तो आप बता सकते हैं। दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे एंड प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब। थैंक यू।